Welcome to Metro Exodus. An epic, story-driven shooter set in post-apocalyptic Russia that blends ferocious combat with exploration, survival, and stealth. "5 years in the making, it is developer 4A Games' most ambitious work yet. For newcomers to this incredible world, this video explores what makes Metro such a unique, compelling experience. The year is 2036, a quarter century after nuclear war devastated the Earth. The few thousand survivors cling to existence beneath the ruins of Moscow, in the tunnels of the Metro. They believed the Earth was a poisoned wasteland.
There's only Metro, nothing else.
But they were wrong. As Artyom, you must flee the Metro and lead a band of Spartan Rangers on an incredible, continent-spanning journey across post-apocalyptic Russia. This gripping story, packed with memorable characters, takes place over an entire calendar year, through the changing seasons, from spring, summer, and autumn, to the depths of nuclear winter. Metro Exodus takes the cinematic, narrative-driven gameplay of the previous Metro games and introduces huge open environments that deliver a brand new experience. The core gameplay pillars that support this bold new design are combat, exploration, and survival. Metro offers thrilling and varied combat, from desperate encounters with ferocious mutants to tactical firefights with human foes. How you approach dealing with hostiles is up to you. Metro supports both run-and-gun and stealth-based gameplay. Waiting until night to attack a bandit encampment sounds like a good idea. Snuff out the lights and take them down silently. Or stage a dawn assault and go in guns blazing.
I have a present for you here. A TR rifle. Ring any bells?
Combat is underpinned by a unique arsenal of deadly handmade weapons. Each gun is fully customizable, allowing the player to modify damage, range, handling, and accuracy by swapping out parts. Strip any weapon for upgrades, and use those parts to switch your loadout on the fly. That revolver you found, why not fix a long barrel, a shoulder stock, and a scope to it? Now you've got a long-range weapon capable of picking enemies off at a distance. This system places a huge amount of tactical variety in the player's hands. The world of Metro Exodus has been handcrafted to reward player exploration. Every location you'll find has a story to tell, from a long-forgotten nuclear bunker to a tiny hamlet hiding dark secrets, to an ancient church transformed into something sinister. You won't find pointless fetch quests or busy work in Metro's vast open levels. Every objective is narrative-driven and woven seamlessly into the main story. We give you a map, a compass, and the freedom to think for yourselves. It's up to you to discover the hidden stories of the wasteland. In Metro Exodus, survival is everything. You'll be roaming the wilderness, battling mutated beasts, hostile factions, and the deadly environment itself. Artyom must hunt for resources, stripping corpses and searching interiors, while new crafting mechanics allow you to construct the gas mask filters and medkits needed to survive. Environmental hazards like anomalies and toxic zones, and dynamic weather including electrical storms, combine to create a dangerous world. Camps and outposts allow you to rest and replenish your strength, and offer more advanced crafting options. Dynamic day-night cycles transform the game world. Dare you venture out in the darkness where mutants are at their deadliest, or wait until daylight and risk meeting patrols of enemy factions. Artyom's incredible journey is made possible by the Aurora, a gigantic steam locomotive that acts as the player's home and base of operations. The Aurora will be your safe haven, a place to bond with distinctive characters or delve into the deep lore. Storytelling is at the heart of Exodus. Your decisions will have consequences on the story, depending on the way you choose to play. This is a world to get lost in. From the combat to exploration and survival, Metro Exodus is a singular, immersive experience. See you in the wasteland, Spartan.